What's up, everybody? Today we're here with TommyFYeah. Most of you guys probably know him already, but we're doing a spotlight video for the slip angle. We're gonna go film a burnout with this truck. Maybe, maybe not. It's a little tires, so I don't know.
We'll see.
We'll see what happens. Hopefully the trans stays in one piece.
Dude, low blows already. Dude with the rod bearings like he has, and he's
bro.
talking about training.
But on the way to the burnout, figured why not race my E90 M3 against this thing?
Yeah, why not?
Why not, you know?
What do you have to lose except for your dignity?
Dignity, yeah. But let's do it. Let's see what happens.
Do we need to tell them what's done?
We probably should, yeah. So this is not a stock Colorado.
So it's a 2.9 liter 4-cylinder. Wait, no, it's a Camaro LS3 with Texas Speed cam, heads, some other bullshit. Makes, how much power does your car make?
Mine made 364. And it weighs more.
And it weighs more.
My Miata almost did that. No, so this makes 100 horsepower more. And weighs like somewhere between 30, I'm gonna say between 32 and 35. So it weighs less.
So I
think your car's 36.
Yeah. Getting like 3750.
Oh, really?
I got the moonroof, the leather.
Oh,
I mean,
my God.
this is a fully loaded heavy girl. The only way I stand any chance
If I spin all day.
If you spin, I get some sort of gap. But then as soon as you hook,
That'll be the most interesting part, is the gap that you'll create, I'll create, and then I get to suck you back in. That's so fun to watch. You know? So let's do it.
Let's do it.
Yes.
Thing's fucking loud, huh?
Yep. It's actually kind of a small exhaust too. Maybe you'll heat up the tires. Come up, but
no, it was funny. Do you want to go from a dig or a roll?
No.
A roll?
Not with that corner, yeah.
Not good. So as you guys saw, I lost the race, then I got a flat tire. Now I don't know where I'm at, but it's like car heaven here. I mean, look at this thing. Where do you ever see one of these? Ferrari, Noble. Holy crap. Just taking it all in here. Lamborghini. Whew. One day. One day. I'd say we got it. A little warm too. Might have been the most epic burnout I've ever seen.
What did you do?
Check out the bed.
Tire lick off?
Yeah, tire lick up.
Well, you sent it, Tommy.
We just had one shot, so I figured we'd make it count. Never seen all the belts remove themselves from a tire so nicely. Oh yeah. Well, it started doing something weird.
This guy's a madman.
Would you go in third, Tommy? Yeah,
Tommy's a good guy.
Keep it like forever. Like,
Smoking you and then I fix your tire.
Yeah.
You know?
What more can you ask for?
Like Elka suspension, BBR. Oh yeah.
So that pretty much went just as I expected it would. The only reason I stood any chance is because I had grip, he didn't. I think the first race, he spun second, third, and I was just gripping, but even then, probably got about, I don't know, what would you say? You saw the race, probably 2-3 car lengths on me. And then I got a flat tire, so that was the end of the day for me. But check this out, this is a really cool thing to see. We got 2 Alpine White M3s. E36, my E90 next to each other. And you guys have seen my car a million times on this channel. This E36 is nice. It's got the BBS CHs. Real clean Brembos all around in white. Super, super nice. And just cool to see it next to each other. Crazy to see the difference. Alright, I'm gonna stop drooling. Thank you guys for tuning in. Today was kind of a wild day. Check out the spotlight video we do on the slip angle. Check out TommyFYeah on his channel. The burnout was epic. That Colorado was a sick truck. But thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. See you in the next one. Peace. No.